Hello, and welcome to our video on how to live without spending money. We know that money can be tight, and sometimes it feels like we need to spend in order to have fun or be happy. But the truth is, there are so many ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about the benefits of living without spending money. Not only will you save a ton of cash, but you'll also have the opportunity to get creative and discover new activities and hobbies that don't require any money at all. Plus, living frugally can be a great way to reduce your impact on the environment, as consuming less can lead to less waste. So, without further ado, here are some tips for living without spending money. Get outside and enjoy nature. Take a hike, go for a bike ride, or just go for a walk in a nearby park. It's completely free and it's good for your physical and mental health. You can even bring a picnic lunch with you to make it a full day of fun. Explore your local library. Libraries are a treasure trove of free entertainment, with books, movies, music, and more available for you to borrow at no cost. Many libraries also offer free events, such as book clubs, movie screenings, and workshops. Host a game night with friends. Gather some friends and bring out the board games or card games for a night of fun and friendly competition. You can even make it a potluck-style dinner and have each person bring a dish to share. Learn a new skill. There are plenty of online resources available for learning new skills, from cooking and gardening to computer programming and graphic design. Many of these resources are free or low cost, and learning a new skill can be a fun and fulfilling way to spend your time. Get creative with your hobbies. Instead of buying expensive materials, see what you can find around the house to use for your hobbies. For example, if you love to paint, use old newspapers as a canvas instead of buying expensive art supplies. You can also see if there are any free or low-cost workshops or classes available in your community that can help you pursue your hobbies. In addition to these tips, there are also many ways to save money on everyday expenses. For example, you can cook at home instead of eating out, use coupons and shop sales to save on groceries and other necessities, and cut back on unnecessary subscriptions or memberships. So, there you have it, 5 ways to have fun and live without spending money, as well as some tips for saving money on everyday expenses. Remember, the key is to get creative and think outside the box. With a little effort, you can find plenty of ways to enjoy life without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching.